What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Patrick here. Moving on to the next example. We have to take each of these phrases here, and for each of them, we have to create an algebraic expression. So let's start off with number one. We have 10 more than 3 times a number. Now, for all of these, when we're talking about a certain number, I'm going to represent that number using a variable x. You may see other variables used. You can use any variable. Maybe you could use the variable n, as it's the letter for the word number. I'm just going to use x. So we have 10 more than 3 times a number. So how can we represent that? Well, 3 times a number and then 10 more than that. Another way to represent it is to say 10 plus 3 times a number. Either of these work. Usually this here is the more popular format, where the expressions with variables come before any constants. Now, number 2, we got 5 less than 1/6 of a number. So 5 less than 1/6 of a number. So if we take 1/6 of a number, 5 less than that. And so that would be the answer. Now, you got to be careful here. You can't switch the order for this particular one because of the negative, so you can't go 5 minus 1/6x, right? This and this, they are different, right? You got to read these carefully. This one here would be 1/6 of a number subtracted from 5. Okay, that would be the expression for this. But with this particular sentence, 5 less than 1/6 of a number, it's that expression right there. And then number 3, 7 more than the product of 2 numbers. So in this case, we have 2 numbers. I'm going to represent it with x and y. Those are the 2 numbers. So 7 more than the product of 2 numbers. Right? If we multiply those 2 numbers and then add 7. And then finally, number 4, 1/3 less than 5 times a number. So we're going to have 5 times a certain number and then 1/3 less than that. So that would be the expression for sentence number